Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So thank you for watching my video. So today we're going to make a pizza with pepperonis, olives and broccoli. So let's start. This is first semolina with glass like this. First you have to push and use this pot. You have to use this piece. So you can remove the air from the dough and do like this. So and you can give this is our homemade flavored tomato sauce. This for pizza special. And now be spreading this tomato sauce in the pizza base. Nicely arranged. Carefully the sides of the pizza should be clean and round. And now be adding the little oreganos. It's herbs and very good for flavors. And now be spreading the cheese, mozzarella, nicely. So the cheese is already done. Now we start the toppings. This is our pepperonis. Arrange the pepperoni nicely. And this is our sauté broccoli. And be adding this black olives. You can say this is the healthy pizza. Now we're going to put inside the pizza ovens this pizza. Wow, the pizza oven is very hot. So friends, you have to know the pizza temperature should be 280 degrees Celsius. Then your pizza will become very nice and crispy and good for it. So this pizza will take inside the oven 4 to 5 minutes for cook. So friends, your pizza almost is ready. So we're going to cut. Before the cut, you have to brush the pizza sides with olive oils. So your pizza sides is looking shiny and very good. So now I'm going to cut the pizza slices. So I'm cutting these 6 slices. It's up to you. You can cut 10 pieces also. It's up to you. But I'm cutting 6 slices only. Now placing the pizza in the plate. Your pizza is ready to eat. Friends, pizza looking yummy and very delicious. Enjoy your pizza, make in your home, eat in your ovens, and please subscribe my channels and don't forget to bell icons and like this. Thank you very much.